All right, what you see before you going up on eBay's classic website for no reserve, starting off at $1 single and selling to the highest bidder for no reserve, is my awesome, totally custom 1976 Honda 750 Cafe Racer. Titled as a 1976 Honda. Here is the factory VIN number right there, and then the same matching frame number on the title as is the VIN number right there. This is a custom build Cafe Racer, completely gone through from top to bottom, all completely restored. Has about 180 or so miles on the complete build. New tires, new front end, new forks seals, new fork oil, chain, brakes, wheels, tires, fender, twin speed moto carburetors, new petcock, custom headlight, new tachometer, new speedometer. So it's got a horn. I'll show you how the fire's up here. So you got your lights right here, and then let's see if your horn is right there. And then this is your lights. Lights come on. Not really high beams, but it's a Cafe Racer and it's freaking awesome. Very, very cool little bike. It is a no reserve auction. You know, depending on your elevation and where you live, you might have to just adjust your carburetors to your specific elevation. Obviously, it's not fuel injected. It's got a kickstart, and then it has your, right down here is your oil pressure. There's a separate bag there for your oil. I run premium. Sounds wicked, custom exhaust. A lot of upgrades on this. Down in the back over here, you have your helmet lock right here. And then there is a battery tender right there. So if you want to store it, you know, it is perfect for anyone that is any type of Honda CB, you know, 350 collector or a 750 collector. You can take it to car shows or motorcycle shows. It's awesome. Perfect for any motorcycle enthusiast, any type of Harley Davidson collector, Excelsior, Henderson, any custom bike. It's great for your collection or in your shop or in your bar. If you own a bar, you know, you can hang it from the ceiling. You can ride it around, but it's a very, very cool bike, kind of modeled after a Norton Commando. Very, very nice custom paint. It's all pretty much dialed in on the motor and everything. Like I said, you might just have to adjust your carburetors to your specific liking, just to tune them to your elevation. It's got your gauges right here, and then your separate key right there for your fuel tank. Custom seats. So I'll go ahead and fire up the bike. It is very, very cold-blooded, so it loves the choke on these bad boys. So we'll go ahead and hit the choke here just for a second down below. I'll go ahead and hit the key. Should just fire right up here. That's the bike. Kind of hard to hear, but we'll go ahead and turn it off. That way you can kind of hear it. So custom exhaust. It's a kick-ass ride, man. Everywhere you go, it draws major attention. Tons of thumbs up. People love it. It's just a very cool, classic, very tastefully done, beautiful looking bike. These are getting more and more sought after. You know, Keanu Reeves started his own company, the KR models, and those go for I think like $75,000. Way cooler than the old Triumph Thruxtons, you know, that were just remanufactured. You know, like the old school BMWs, you know, like the Ducatis, they're kind of coming back. I think, I don't know if those are the Ducati Scramblers, but they're kind of coming back. Or, you know, like I said, the Thruxtons or the British replica bikes or the Norton Commandos. But, you know, like I said, these Hondas, way wicked. Everybody loves them. Total awesome bike. If you have any questions about anything, you want to stop by, take a look at it, you're more than welcome to. Thank you and good luck.